Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi, your favorite Yoruba tutor. If this is your first time seeing my face, watching my video, click the subscribe button and get subscribed. Do not go without subscribing. And to my subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. I really appreciate you. In this video, we'll be learning family members in Yoruba language. What to call family members in Yoruba language. Let's get started. Family itself is Ebi. Say with me, Ebi. Family members, mọ̀lẹ́bí, mọ̀lẹ́bí. So now let's start with father. Father is baba, bàbá. Mother, ìyá, ìyá. Then husband, ọkọ, ọkọ. Wife, ìyàwó, ìyàwó. Child, ọmọ, ọmọ. Children, àwọn ọmọ, àwọn ọmọ. Then we have grandparents, grandma. If it is the maternal side, you say ìyá ìyá, ìyá ìyá. Grandpa for the maternal side, bàbá ìyá, bàbá ìyá. Then grandma for the paternal side, ìyá bàbá, ìyá bàbá. And then grandpa for the paternal side, you say bàbá bàbá, bàbá bàbá. So now let's move on to siblings. Ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò. That is the other siblings are the ones we call ẹ̀gbọ́n in Yoruba. Other siblings is ẹ̀gbọ́n, ẹ̀gbọ́n. Then younger sibling is àbúrò, àbúrò. A male, ọkùnrin, ọkùnrin. Female, obìnrin. So if you are referring to a female child, you say ọmọbìnrin. And then a male child, or let's say a boy, that is ọmọkùnrin. So if you want to say my elder brother, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin, remember older is ẹ̀gbọ́n, right? So you say ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin, àbáwo ni ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin. Ẹ wá ra nǹkan fún mi now. You get all those vibes, right? So my elder sister, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi obìnrin. My younger sister, àbúrò mi obìnrin. Do you get? Me is that you referring to yourself. Àbúrò mi ọkùnrin, that's my younger bro. So now let's move to friends. What do you call friends in Yoruba? Ọ̀rẹ́, ọ̀rẹ́. So if you want to say my friend, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi. If you want to say my friends, like there are many, you say àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi. So you know, as we have friend, we have enemy, right? So enemy in Yoruba is ọ̀tá, ọ̀tá. So if you want to say my enemies, àwọn ọ̀tá mi, àwọn ọ̀tá mi, máa forí gbálẹ̀. You get that? Okay, so my enemy, ọ̀tá mi. If you are still here by now, it means you are learning, you are enjoying this video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment. Yeah, comments. Let me know if you are learning. And so the last ones we are going to be learning, the last phase of this video is, first one is relatives. When you say relatives, you say mọ̀lẹ́bí, mọ̀lẹ́bí, mọ̀lẹ́bí. Then fiance and fiancé. Fiance is àfẹ́sọ́nà ọkùnrin, àfẹ́sọ́nà ọkùnrin. That is someone you want to marry. You know, fiancé means someone you are engaged to. Yeah, you probably want to marry each other, right? So àfẹ́sọ́nà, like you are marrying on the road. That's what it actually means. You are going to marry that person. So àfẹ́sọ́nà ọkùnrin. Then fiancé, àfẹ́sọ́nà obìnrin, àfẹ́sọ́nà obìnrin. So before we end this video, I'm going to give you an assignment, an homework, or whatever you want to call it, and it's 10 marks. So the first question is, what do you call father in Yoruba? What do you call father in Yoruba? How do you say your grandma, your maternal grandma? 5 marks. Then the last question, to make it 15 marks altogether, how do you say enemy in Yoruba? Enemy. Thank you very much for watching. I love you. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like my videos. And thank you very much. Bye. Ó dàbọ̀.